Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I am excited to share with you a recipe for Mukimo. Mukimo is a staple food of the Agikuyu community in Kenya. The word Mukimo means mashed. So Mukimo is comprised of potatoes, fresh corn maize, and pumpkin leaves. But for me today, I am going to use these leaves. You will also need cooking oil and onions. If you can get spring onions, it will be better, but you can well use red onions. Now I am going to boil them for 20 to 30 minutes. I want them to be tender. After 30 minutes, I will add my soft boiled corn and potatoes and let them boil together. Once they are ready, I am going to pour the extra stock and mash them while they are hot. I am boiling them for 30 minutes and then I add my fresh boiled corn and potatoes. Now we are after 30 minutes. As you can see, now I am going to add my boiled soft corn. And add my potatoes. I am going to add hot water and let them boil until they are ready. So I am going to pour this extra water and mash them immediately. Now this is how it looks like, and I am going to mash it right away when it is hot. As you can see, my mashed mukimo is here and it looks good. And after here, I'm going to fry onions. Here is my fried onions. I'm going to add them in my mukimo and mix them together. Mukimo is ready. I've served it with beef stew. You can as well serve it with matumbo or chicken. If you like my recipe, kindly don't forget to like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.